Regardless of what I'm cooking or baking, these spatulas come super in handy in all situations. Here I have this pack I found from Amazon. It comes with 5 different spatulas and in different sizes. So here we have the regular spatulas, the small and the large, and you also receive this little jar spatula, which is so helpful to get to the bottom of the jar and scrape any leftovers off. I also love that they include 2 of these other spatulas that kind of look a little different. They are a spoon and a spatula mixed together. They're a spoon spatula. They are super helpful to scrape any leftover off the sides of bowls, and they all get clumped here in the top together just like a spoon. I definitely recommend checking this set out. They are super useful, and my favorite thing about them, they're not those spatulas that the heads come off. They're entirely made of the same material, and it makes it super easy to clean them as well. Check these out and add them to your kitchen today.